Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. This is the hardware part of my LED addressable pixel stick DIY light painting bar. What it is a piece of 2020 extruded aluminium profile that you'd commonly find in DIY and Chinese built 3D printers, etc. I've then got a piece of Pullman LED profile that's actually attached to the top of the 2020 using 3M VHB self-adhesive. That's got a lovely diffuser in there. Inside I've got 144, what are they? The WS2182B 5050 addressable LED strips. And then I've not finished the wiring yet, but this is my prototype enclosure for my Arduino 2560 Mega Pro. Basically, that's going to be the brains of the operation. Got a 5-way or a 5-action joystick, left, right, up and down, and center select. I've got a color OLED screen. I've also got my micro SD slot there. I'm going to change it around a bit, so this is not finished product yet. I've got my power in, and then I've got my USB socket on there. I've just got to finish the wiring and then test all of the actual Arduino side that's a bit new to me really. I've also made a power cable which goes to my 5-volt power bank, which is a recycled piece of brand new coiled 2-core cable from a car cigarette lighter extension socket, and I've just wired onto that and soldered a GX16 2-pole 2-pin female plug, DIY solderable USB. That will go into the bottom of here. That will go into the USB to provide power, and then hopefully when it's all working I can start doing like bitmap, pixel mapping, and then write things in the sky. And actually on the back of my stick I've utilized what I would call Ford Transit cab handles, but they're interior handles. They're classed as universal. I've seen these before in Ford Transits, and they fix onto my 2020, and then I've got 2 handles so I can do an up, hold it in the orientation, or I can then hold it sideways. But so far that's what I've done at the moment. Prototype form on the electronics, but the actual LED side, the extrusion, the handles, the diffuser is all finished. But there you go.